Welcome to FMX, Foto Master's next-generation photo booth software. Let's get your first event up and running in just a few minutes. First, download FMX for Windows. Extract the file, run the installer, and launch FMX on your booth computer. Once FMX opens, sign in using your Foto Master Cloud account. Now let's move to Foto Master Cloud. You can log in from any device, anywhere. Inside your dashboard, add a new event. Let's name it My First FMX Event. Save it, and then enable FMX for Windows. Click Load Preset and choose a ready-to-run experience. Each preset already includes the workflow, layouts, and animations. You can always customize it or create anything from scratch. Select your product or license, save the event, and you're done in the cloud. Back on the booth computer, select the same event you just created and click Sync Event. FMX automatically downloads everything it needs. Once syncing is complete, click Start Photo Booth. That's it. Your experience is live and ready for guests. Welcome to the FMX era. So simple, yet so powerful.